Today, I'm going to be rebuilding my 2005 YZ125. Currently it has a Athena big bore kit on it. It's been on there for about 10 years, and honestly it's never really lasted more than a handful of rides. So I dug out my stock cylinder and I'm going to put it all back to stock and have a nice reliable bike again. So over the course of the years, I've tried many different things to get this cylinder to seal properly. It just never did. Don't know why. Always checked it for flatness every rebuild. For some reason, those O-rings just never wanted to hold. And on the last 2 or 3 rebuilds, it would last less than a ride before the O-rings failed. So here we go, back to stock. So you can see the difference between the two heads here. This is the factory Yamaha, this is the Athena. Just pop the power valve cover off. And the pins that are supposed to ride in a little cam here, one of them popped right out on me. I'm guessing the other one is hiding in here. So that could definitely explain why it wasn't running so good. Got the engine back together. Everything went nice and smooth. Now time to throw it back on the bike and see how she runs.